Now with us here we have a mature grown Pixie tree. However, it has a dense canopy that we like to do a bit of pruning. Maybe before we begin, why is it important for us to do pruning, Aaron?
Pruning is necessary to plants because first, for his in spraying, also the unwanted branches needs to be removed, and also the other thing is that there is ease in sunlight penetration.
Sunlight penetration.
Yes.
Yeah. In your hands, I see some tools specific for pruning. Maybe you might tell us what are these tools and how do we call these tools?
Yeah. On my left hand, this is the axle for the bigger branches.
Okay.
And then we have what the pruning saw. This one for the maybe the average branches, and then we have for the these pruning shears for these tiny small branches.
Okay. Is there an extent to which where you prune, you leave maybe to a certain extent so that you might not over prune it?
Yes, pruning is very necessary, but you have to be very keen for you not to over prune. So you basically prune the branches which maybe basically, for example, branches which are just inside the plants which are not there, those need to be removed. The unwanted branches, maybe you can also prune the branches which are maybe infested by pests and diseases. Maybe, for example, the scales, maybe they are drying up. You can prune that. The other branches which maybe they are standard, you see that the branch cannot grow further, then you can remove that. There is also some which maybe, for example, if you have plant is infected by scales, you can see some cases from the top, apex die. So you need to prune it.